James, how are the vibes this morning?
Immaculate.
Immaculate. Hey, good morning vlog. So I'm at Urban, off to campus for the first day of varsity for 2022. It's kind of crazy. We're going to campus, but yeah, just brought some stuff from home, unpacked. It's 9 o'clock, off to campus. Only have one lecture in person today, and then the rest is online. Only my one subject is in person, but I'm so keen. Let's go. Feels so good to be cycling again. So me and Mick are here just chilling. How is your first day back, bro?
Really cool to be back on campus. It feels a bit more like normal, but I think I'm stuck in third year.
Yeah, me too.
Like I'm unpausing from where I paused in 2020.
Look how young everyone looks, bro. We're about 3 years older than the average age of a varsity student. It's all good. James, bro, how are the vibes this morning?
Immaculate.
Immaculate. Look at all these young people. What a good feeling. Ooh. You excited for the year, bro?
Very excited.
Bring it on.
Already getting a little bit nervous. The lecturers are...
Oh yeah, absolutely. Talking about ESP this morning and seeing how short those semester tests are as opposed to the online extra half an hour for downloading and uploading got me stressed.
It's going to be busy.
It's going to be a good year though. Let's head over to the study center. The job vlog today was a very good day. I went to campus for the first time in over 2 years. Even managed to go to a lecture, went to the introductory ESP lecture. I can't lie, I'm feeling a bit apprehensive for the year. Just looking at the ESP lecture content and all the practice we have to do, and then thinking about project. We're going to our first lecture for final year project tomorrow, so that's going to be very interesting. And then just having to redo EDC at the end of the year, despite already having failed it once. You know, just everything that has to go right this year if I want this to be my last year. But I'm really excited nevertheless, and I had a good time on campus today with my friends, working in the study center, seeing casual friends. I got recognized 4 times from the channel, which was really cool. So hi, thanks for saying hi. That was terrifying. I'm sorry, I just dropped Maria's phone. Hi. But yeah, I'm really excited for the rest of the semester and to see what happens. And I'm doing ESP, EHN, final year project this semester, and then in second semester EDC and final year project. Going to be a really exciting semester, and I'm excited to have some good campus vibes. At the moment, we're still doing booking forms for every lecture we go to because they're not allowed to fill the lecture hall to capacity. So they're only allowing in like 24 people in like a 50-person to 100-person lecture hall, which is kind of ridiculous. And I don't know if that's going to last. Please, Tuks admin, don't let that last. But we'll see how it goes. And I'm going to some more lectures tomorrow, and I'm really looking forward to it. But then Wednesday, Thursday, like I'm not going to campus at all because I don't have any lectures on campus because EHN is completely online, which is fine. But it's a very nice change to get back onto campus and to be out at the coffee shop and in the study center. And I think it's going to be a really good year of almost normal behavior. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you soon. Bye.